Good morning.
Good morning.
Children, we are celebrating Fitness Week. So we are doing various activities during the Fitness Week. Senior classes are doing something. You will be doing something with your teachers, few exercises, few poster making. Today, I will request Father Bitto, our Vice Principal, to give you some idea about our fitness training and how does it help in our life that they are fit for their future and can perform their all the duties in nice way. Over to Father Bitto.
Thank you, sir, for inviting me to give motivational talk on fitness. Children, today I like to talk about Fitness India School Week. We are celebrating Fitness India School Week. On this topic, I like to talk on three headings. One is sports and our study, sports and our health, and sports and our life. How sports is important in our day-to-day life, especially for our study. So not to study better, what is important, children? Can anybody can tell me? Okay, what is important is that we need a good health and fresh mind, isn't it? Unless we have fresh mind, so it is not possible for us to study well. When the mind is not healthy, mind is not fresh, and as a result we are not able to study well. So not to make our mind fresh, what is important, we say a good blood circulation is important. So blood circulation takes place when we do exercise. When we do exercise, so blood circulation takes place, blood goes to our brain, and the brain gets lots of blood, lots of oxygen gets. Then our heart also is given more exercise. Then blood goes to the lungs and the hearts and all the muscles and all the parts of the body gets full blood. When the blood is spread all over the body, so all of the muscles are strengthened. So when the mind gets lots of blood, mind becomes very fresh. Mind becomes fresh, then as a result, then our concentration improves. See, not to study well, we need concentration. Isn't it, children? We need to pay attention in the class, we need concentration. So concentration can be improved through blood circulation. Blood circulation can be improved through exercise. So when we do exercise, when we play, when we jump around and we do some exercise and all, so blood circulation takes place, then blood goes to the brain and the brain becomes more active, then our concentration power increases. Then second one, it also enhances our memory. See, memory is very, very important, children, to learn some formula, to learn some important spelling, to learn certain concept. Memory is very much important. So it our exercise sports helps us to increase our memory. Then
Hands in front, hands in front and rotate. Wrist से circle बनाना है. Okay. अब दूसरी next exercise change. Now we will rotate our arms. हाथ को सीधा करके आप ब्लेजर उतार सकते हो अगर आपको ब्लेजर तंग कर रहा है. आर्म इन द आर्म. हाथों को बदल दो बेटे, हाथ बदल.
6, 5, 4, 3. Next change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next change. All right. Next. 1, 2, 3.
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spread your legs and go down and up. And up. And up. Inhale. When you walk. Exhale out. When you come down. Not more than about the music.
Jogging exercise. the sport jogging. Twist. करेंगे मंटू वासल. बनाओ अंगूठा अंदर like this, ऐसे ही राइट हैंड की. ओके, नाभि के नीचे पहले लेफ्ट, फिर राइट हैंड. राइट, और सांस छोड़ते हुए, पूरा सांस बाहर निकालते हुए पूरी बॉडी को आगे लेंगे. ठीक है, पहले हम अपना फोरहेड सर्कल का भाग से लगाएंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए बाहर बॉडी को आगे लेंगे और फ्लोर से टच करेंगे. ध्यान रहे, सांस बाहर निकालते थे. Slowly slow it down. Exhale. Slowly slow it down. दोनों हाथ और एल्बो फ्लोर से टच करेंगे, फिर से फोरहेड लगाएंगे. थर्टी सेकेंड होल्ड. Straight up, stretch up, long deep breath. साइड से सांस छोड़ते हुए वापस. All right. Now long deep breath. छोड़ेंगे सांस को झटके से. जो नाभि है वो पीछे रीढ़ की हड्डी से टच होनी चाहिए. ओके, रेडी? अब हम ये करेंगे हम 20 टाइम. यस. राइट. नाउ लास्ट में सुखासन. सुखासन में हम सांस ले रहे हैं और छोड़ रहे हैं, तो हमारी बॉडी को भी कुछ पता नहीं चलना चाहिए. तो इसलिए सुखासन. लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ. इनहेल, एक्सहेल. इनहेल, एक्सहेल. Inhale.
Today's activity for the fitness week is open mic for मैं fit तो India fit. Now I ask Zenith, Swadha, Sophia to say something on this, and anyone who wants to say something on fitness can be available and say.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Zenith, am going to speak my mind on the topic importance of physical fitness. We live in a world that is continuously racing against time. In this modern age, a man doesn't even have time to enjoy his food properly. He has a job that requires him to sit in front of a computer all day. He depends on processed, ready-made and junk food to save time and experience a fake relaxation on account of his hard mental labor. He further attempts to induce relaxation through partying, indulging into alcohol, cigarettes, etc. Instead, this leads to even more stress and related problems. In a nutshell, he compromises his health due to his mental labor. Another situation is of teenagers indulging in too much junk food and sitting in front of TV all day. The solution to these situations is quite simple and is known by all: physical fitness. Now, when someone talks about this particular term, probably most of us start thinking about rigorous training athletes, sportsmen, gym freaks, people with perfect figure and abs, etc. However, physical fitness has been defined as a state of health and well-being, and more specifically, the ability to perform aspects of sports, occupations, and daily activities. It has 5 components: speed, endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and coordinative abilities. Looking at each component individually, speed is the balanced diet with all the nutrients in proper quantities and ratio is a must. Consumption of junk food and beverages must be checked. Substances like alcohol should completely be avoided. Stay motivated and determined. In the wake of the ongoing pandemic, physical fitness has gained all the more importance. This phase has truly taught us that fitness does not pertain to gym machines, but it can mean light to moderate exercise regularly. And yoga and dance have proven to be of great help. I would like to conclude by saying that let us all be assets to our country rather than being liabilities and paying medication bills. A healthy body shelters a sound mind. Thank you.
Nice one. Very good.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
now
My
Sudha.
name is Madha Sharma and I'll be enlightening on the same. So, physical activity is defined as any bodily movement produced by skeletal muscles that requires energy expenditure. Now, let's talk about how physical fitness benefits common citizens of a country while accelerating the country's development. In high income countries like HICs, increasing or decreasing gross national product is often linked with low and decreasing physical activity and the level of that country. Physical inactivity is the key factor for non-communicable disease such as cardiovascular disease, cancer, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, etc. WHO recommends adults to do at least 150 minutes of physical activity throughout the day. So here we can see how important is it. Thus, physical fitness of a citizen of a country is directly proportional to the progress of that country.
Your thoughts?
So, first of all, the question arises that what is physical fitness? Physical fitness is the state of health and well being, and more especially the ability to perform the aspects of sports, occupation, and daily activities. Physical fitness is generally achieved by through nutrition or by doing physical exercises, or it can also be defined as the capacity to carry out the day's activities without doing without getting any fatigue. So the benefits of regular physical activities for the common people or for the country is that it can reduce your risk of heart attack, manage your weight better, have a lower blood cholesterol level, lower the risk of 2 types of diabetes and some cancer or cardiovascular.
fit and active individual makes a society healthier and a nation stronger. The benefits associated with regular physical exercise are innumerable. Not only does it keep one in shape, but also protects us from several diseases, which is important for a healthy nation. It is a proven fact that children, when exposed to a variety of sports early in their lives, develop better self-esteem, grasp social skills, and communicate new ideas effectively, and are also likely to excel academically. With our lives getting busier by the day, we are less likely to devote time to our physical well-being. As a citizen of India, it is our responsibility to restore the forgotten culture of sports in our country at the grassroots level. As an Indian, we should work towards making ourselves fitter and healthier. Let's take a pledge to exercise every day. We as Indians should treasure the value of being fit, so let's dedicate an hour of daily routine to exercise and together build a healthy and strong India. Hum fit to India fit.
My message to the youth is spend 30 minutes of your day for fitness because it will keep you fit. Hum fit to India fit.
Physical fitness is necessary for individual to be a good citizen and for the maximum growth and development. Let me explain this through some facts. When a person is physically and mentally fit, the negative thoughts like stress, anxiety, tension does not affect him, and eventually he gets better academic results and enjoy the life. Also, when we exercise, it can be extremely beneficial for the chronic diseases. It cures them, and when the person is fit, eventually he can manage his emotions well and be lead to a balanced life.
Hands straight out, chest out, hip out, back straight. Inhale and stand up. Again, go down, stand up. Go down, stand up.
Move fast, move fast, move fast. Move fast, move fast. Come on, move fast, move fast.